All right, let's talk about mean, median, and mode. The word mean just means average. So to find the average of some numbers, you add them up and divide by how many you have. So notice if we had 3, 4, 5, and 6, well, we would add those together and divide by 4. In this case, 18 over 4 is 4.5. So that's the average, and that is the mean. So what we mean by the mean is just find the sum and divide by how many terms you have, how many numbers you have. Now the median, the word median means middle, but it's the middle when you order them from smallest to largest. So if somebody gives you a jumbled up list of numbers and they're not already in order, you should put them in order first. So 3, 4, 5, 6 from smallest to largest. And then you find the one that's in the middle. So if you have an odd number of numbers, then there will be a middle. But notice in this case, we only have 4 numbers, so there really isn't a number in the middle. There's 2 over here, 2 over there. In this case, you add the 2 that are in the middle and divide by 2. In other words, you find the average of the 2 that are in the middle. So this is on the end, this is on the end. These two, 4 and 5, are in the middle, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So in this case, the median and the mean are the same number, but that's not always true. It just is true in this particular set of numbers. So if you have an odd number of numbers, let me show you an example of that. So if you have an odd set of numbers, let's say we had 1, and then we had 4, and then we had 10, and 20, and 35. So those are in order. And notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Well, 10 would be in the middle. So 10 would be the median in this list of numbers. So if you have an odd number, it's pretty easy to find the one in the middle. But if you have an even number, then you have to find the average of the 2 that are in the middle. The last one's the easiest one, the mode. The mode just means the one that occurs most often. And so in this list of numbers, 3 occurs twice, so that's most often. So the mode occurs most often. Didn't talk about the range here, but the range is simply the biggest number minus the smallest number. So the range is the largest one minus the smallest one. So mean, median, mode, and range.